This is going to be a video tutorial on how to disable background apps in the Arc web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Arc web browser opened up now. To disable background apps are probably enabled by default for you. To disable them, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper left-hand corner, up to the little Arc logo. I'm going to click on the Arc logo. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in the little dialog box that opens up, you want to choose your profile. Then you'll go down toward the bottom to where it says Privacy and Security and click on that. Now on this page that opens up, the pane off to the left, you want to go down to where it says System and click on System. Then on the center pane, right up top here, continue running background apps when Arc is closed. By default, this is probably enabled, as you see mine is. To disable it, you just toggle this off right here. That is how to disable background apps on the Arc web browser. Thanks for watching.